Today's video, I'm going to show you guys my updated glute routine, and I do have some bad news. The bad news is the fact that this was supposed to be a mic'd up session, but the mic wasn't on, and this is my first time using this mic, so I'm still trying to figure out how to use it. But the good news is, this updated glute routine is going to blow your mind and your glutes in a good way. And this is for my babes who want to get in and out the gym. You don't want to waste hours at the gym doing non effective exercises. I made it extremely early to the gym. Really great for me to film and not have people in my background. Be sure to, again, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, I meant to say, like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. RDLs can be one of the most effective glute building exercises, so here are a few tips I want you to consider when performing this movement. Make sure your chin is tucked. Also, you want to protect your back, so make sure that you are using and implementing an engaged core. As you descend, your chin's tucked, you are pushing your glutes back as far as they can go. As you hit mid-shin, you're going to initiate the glutes and the hamstrings to explode back up. You're going to repeat the same exact thing again, but make sure you're not using too much of a heavy load, especially if you're a beginner with RDLs. Moving into Smith machine step-ups, these are very easy to work with, and you don't necessarily need to add loads of intensity to this movement to get the most out of it. As long as the leg that's placed on the bench is under a lot of intensity without locking out or any pauses during your reps, you're going to feel what's needed in order to get that glute pump. I also noticed the more elevated the surface you step to, the more you'll engage your glutes due to the added range of motion. I ended up going in with a 25 plate, and let me tell you, that was gruesome. So like I said, if it's too much of a weight, lower the weight and just use the bar. For my third exercise, I went in with cable glute kickbacks, and I swear to you, this has completely changed my upper glute game. And I know a lot of the girlies were rambling and raving about this glute exercise for some time now, but I finally took the time out to make this a part of my glute routine, so I really hope that you ladies also do the same. I'm just setting up my Bulgarian split squats, and I grabbed some 30-pound dumbbells, and I'm going to set up my foot placement so that I can really focus on engaging my glutes and making sure that the foundation for the movement is correct so that there won't be any interruptions during the reps. And I've really grown to love Bulgarian split squats. Not only do I get to engage my glutes, I get to engage my quads, I get to really work on core strength and balance. So I really highly recommend this movement, and I have seen tremendous glute gains with this one. Definitely a favorite of mine as well. Rounding off my glute workout, I'm going to get into the 45-degree hyperextension machine, and this was also in my last glute workout video, and I'm going to continue to incorporate this exercise because if it's not broke, I'm probably just not going to fix it. I've been seeing a lot of really good progression in my glutes while using this, and I get a back workout on top of that. If you want more intensity, add a dumbbell or a barbell. Either or works just as fine. And in my last video, I spoke about the 3-second eccentric contraction. I'm doing that in this video as well. I hope that you guys took the tips that I was able to give you guys and utilize it for your next workout. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel,
And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Before I even go, let me know what you guys have been doing for your glute routines these past couple weeks, months. I'm definitely interested to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.